The STS. In today's tutorial, we're going to use the distance formula to calculate the distance between 2 points. So here we're given the points 5, -6, and 8, -4, and we need to find the distance using the distance formula. All right, let's begin by writing the formula. So D is equal to the square root of the difference of x sub 1 minus x sub 2. That quantity is squared, and then you add that to the difference of y sub 1 minus y sub 2, and that quantity is also squared. In this particular problem, let's go ahead and label the x sub 1 and x sub 2. So the 5 is x sub 1, the -6 is y sub 1, and then the -8 is x sub 2, and the 4 is y sub 2. Alright, now let's just substitute these values in. Alright, we begin with x sub 1, which is 5, and I want to subtract off x sub 2, which is -8, so let me put the -8 in parentheses, and that whole quantity is squared, plus y sub 1, which is -6, and I want to subtract off y sub 2, which is 4, and that quantity is also squared. So here I have 5 minus a -8. Well, that's really 5 plus 8, so this here turns into 13 squared. So I'm taking the square root of 13 squared plus, and then I have the -6 minus 4. Well, that turns into -10 squared. Alright, my next step is to square each one of these. Well, 13 squared is 169, and -10 squared is 100. Now I add these two quantities underneath the radical, and here 169 plus 100 leaves me with 269. So the difference between these 2 points is the square root of 269, and if you'd like, you can put that in your calculator to get the decimal approximation. Alright, that sums up this video by Speller Tutorial Services. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and as always, thank you for watching.